channel. It's your boy Roddy. Today we are driving, or should I say shakedown test driving the Scion TC after I have just replaced the rear hub bearings and also did test fit some other modifications that I wanted to do for this car. I did the whole breakdown of how much I have currently spent on all these modifications. Not only that, all the little trinkets I got for it as well. And bro, I still have not broken. Oh no, lied. I have just. Oh, sorry, this car needs alignment, so it's like a little wobbly. But anyways, yeah, I need to do actually a realignment on the car and some new maintenance stuff on the car as well. But I lost my train of thought for a second. What I was trying to say is that the car has not broken $3,500 yet. I'm still under that, and that means I'm gonna get some fresh wheels for this thing. Come on, people, users, come on, man. Anyways, so yeah, so this video is basically an update of how far the car has come. You see, I'm driving now. That means that everything is back together. And this video is basically going to show you where I was with the car at a point where I was replacing, I should say, I was aligning the front radiator support, and I was unable to correct it. This is a video going through that, and also I did a few things in these videos as well. So in this video is going to show you how I was aligning the fender and how I replaced the hood latch cable. A few things you actually could do on the car that if you wanted to get that done. So hood latch cable and fender alignment and hood alignment in this video. So enjoy this video and tell me what you think. Right here in the video, as you can see, I'm trying to fit the lights, and it was a little bit of a headache to get the lights to fit, and just trying to do my best with the parts that I get from the junkyard car to fit them as close as possible. But I was having issues, so I just go ahead, hood on to see where the lines are at, to see how bad everything was. And right here you can see me trying to straighten out this little part of the fender to fit the light. Too wide. Right. So that. Then raise it. This is tipped. So we're gonna bring that up from there. And right here is good. But right here is where the problem is. So we're gonna fix that. And let's work on that. I have the allergies from the pollen, so bear with me as I try to do this voiceover. So right here, I'm actually going ahead and I'm adjusting the fender. We're using 210 bolts that's holding it down, and by just bringing it in and out, you can adjust it closer to the hood, as you can see right here. And that's how you close the gap with the hood and the fender. The next step is going to be aligning it closer to get it more even. For me, I am satisfied with this little bit of gap, so it's just for the hood now to come closer to it to fit it up more neatly. So right here is where I decided to make the decision that I'm going to need to replace the whole entire radiator support, because the lights and the radiator wasn't aligning with the latch with the hood. So this is where, even though it looks like together and aligned perfectly, underneath where the radiator is sitting, I was having issues with that. So I made a decision to go ahead and replace this radiator support with a new one. Okay, when installing the latch cable, I'm gonna put this side in from the cabin, because here it's gonna go in and sit on the inside. So it's pretty straightforward to replace this. So let's go. So to remove this cable from the inside, you're gonna need to remove this side panels. So you remove the bottom one first, and then you remove the top one right here, and then you go underneath where you can see I have it. So I'm gonna get this under here. I'm gonna take it to the side, like that. So it comes down, and then yeah, you can slide it like that. But you basically make sure a little slot, like right there, that you make sure it goes in. And let me see if I can one hand this. One finger it. And then slide. And very good. Boom. And then make sure that stays in there. And you're pretty much good. And the wire goes all the way up. Goes underneath that bracket. Goes underneath that bracket. And go all the way up. It goes from there. And then makes its way all the way up. It's a little hole. Disappeared. But you get the point. Yeah, right here, no matter what I did, it was just always off. So I had to go ahead and update the part. So that will be in one of the next video that's coming up next. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as I'm about to go and upload the other videos, there's like 5 videos coming of all the updates it has done on this car. So I just haven't had a chance to put them all together, but now as you see this video comes out, that means they're coming right behind each other. So don't forget, subscribe and like the video and share. And if you have any questions about what I've been doing, this is something I'm doing on my own. This is not sponsored video. This is not a build where someone is sponsoring me. This is basically me using my own funds, actually funding this project, because a lot of us out here, we want a project car, but project cars these days are very expensive. So this will be a way of entering into that low budget project car, something that you can work on and have fun with. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the other videos that are coming, and see you in the next one. Peace, as I try to drive one hand with a car that needs alignment.